If they forms an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So students, here the series is given. First we have to check it, is it AP or not. Then we have to find the common difference. If it is AP, then you have to find 3 more terms. So this is the questions. So first, in this series, do solution. The first term is 2 and second term is 4, third term is 8. Now I will check it, the common difference. What is common difference? D is equals to second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1. D is equals to 4 minus 2. So D is equals to 2. Similarly, check for the second one, that is common difference. D is equals to A3 minus A2. So D is equals to, what is A3? So student, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is A3? A3 is 8 minus A2 is 4. So D is equals to 4. So students, this is not, hence A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. Hence the given series does not form an AP. So it is not AP. So there is no need of finding the 3 more terms. Okay. So is it understood? First we have to find the difference. If you are getting the common difference is same, then you can say it is a AP. If it is AP, then you have to find 3 more terms. Okay. Next we go for next problem. So next problem, this series is given, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so. Here the first solution, first term is 2, the second term is 5 by 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 7 by 2. So students, is it possible to, by looking the equation, we can say it is AP or not? So students, by looking the series, we can easily find the, is it AP or not. So see the, here the series is given 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So that it is not AP. In the AP, the difference should be same. Here we are getting the difference is 2, here we are getting the difference is 4. So that it is not AP. By seeing the series, we can say that is it AP or not. So similarly here, first we have to find the common difference. What is? D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1. Now simplify this equation. 2 into 2 is 4 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. This is equals to 6 minus 5u by 2, this is equals to 1 by 2. So students, here we are getting a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2. The given series forms AP. Okay, so that next you find the fifth, sixth and seventh terms. Okay, so to find the fifth term, that is a5u is equals to, here already given the fourth term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Now you have to find the fifth term. Fifth term is how to calculate? You already fifth term, that is 7 by 2 plus common difference, that is 1 by 2. So this is equals to 8 by 2. 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja. This is 4. Similarly, sixth term, a6 is equals to, already we got the value as fifth term plus common difference is 1 by 2. So here 8 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. Similarly, seventh term is equals to a7, what is sixth term plus common difference is 1 by 2. So I will take common is 2. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So that 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja is 5. So that fourth term, sixth term and seventh term. The given series is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So that here the first term is this one, second term is this one, third term is this one and fourth term is this one. So first you find out the, is it AP or not. To find the AP, we have to first see the common difference. So D is equals to second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. What is A2? A1 is minus, sorry, A2 is minus 3.2 minus 1.2. This is equals to, so minus into minus is plus, that is minus 3.2 minus into minus is plus 1.2. So this is equals to, so this 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Okay. So similarly, D is equals to A3 minus A2. A2 is, A3 is minus 5.2 minus 3.2 is equals to, so here minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is equals to minus 2. So students, it is an AP. Now similarly do for next one, that is A4 minus A3. So you will get same value, that is minus 2, because minus 5 minus 7 is, so that will becomes minus 2 if you simplify by using the formula. Then you have to find the fifth term. So how to calculate fifth term? Fifth term is nothing but a A5 is equals to what is a4 plus common difference d, this is equals to a4 is minus 7.2, common difference is minus 2. So this is equals to, your answer will becomes minus 9.2. A6 is equals to a5 plus d, d is the common difference, plus a5 is 9.2 plus d is minus 2 is equals to minus 11.2. A7 is equals to a6 plus d. What is a6? A6 is minus 11.2 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 13.2. Okay, so this is the third problem. The sequence is given. Fourth problem, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2. So first minus into the bracket minus 10, minus plus 10 is equals to, this minus into minus is plus, so that I will get the value is 4. Similarly, go for the next one. D is equals to second term minus first term. Second term is minus 2 minus 6 is equals to minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 4. So that I am getting the common difference is same. Hence it is AP. If it is AP, then find the next three terms. So that is A4 is equals to A3 plus D. Okay, you know that this is A1, A2, A3. So what is your A3? A3 is minus 2. What is D? D is 4 plus 4 is equals to, your value will be the, similarly A5 is equals to A4 plus D is equals to, so what is your A4? A4 is 2, common difference is 4, so this will becomes 6. Similarly, A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 is 6 plus 4, this will becomes the 10. So your sequence will becomes minus 10 comma minus 6 minus 2 comma 2 comma 6 comma 10. Okay, so this is your last three terms. So in the problem number 4, fifth one, 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2. So it is given. First you have to find, is it AP or not. So student, this is A1 is your first term, 3 plus root 2 is second term, 3 plus 2 root 2 is third term, 3 plus 3 root 2 is fourth term. First you check it, is it AP or not. If it is AP, then you can find the other three terms. So first I will find common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is your A2? A2 is 3 plus root 2. So I will keep it in bracket so that you can understand the problem. Minus 3. So students, here minus 3 plus 3 will cancel each other. The remaining thing is root 2. Similarly, next one, that is A3 minus A2. What is your A3? A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So student, here if you simplify this one, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, this minus 3, this plus 3 will cancel each other, and 2 root 2 plus root 2, so this is minus, okay, so that you will get 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 will be only a root 2. So similarly go for next one, that is a4 minus a3. What is your a4? a4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So student, I will explain once again here. First you write it this term same, 3 plus 3 root 2. Here first you multiply with minus, that is minus 3 minus 2 root 2 is equals to, so plus 3 minus 3 cancel each other, you have a 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So what happens? 3 minus 2 is 1, that is root 2. So that we are getting the common term is root 2, hence they form an AP. So that fifth term a5, a4 plus d. What is a4? a4 is already given in the series, 3 plus 3 root 2 plus d. What is d? d is root 2. So this will becomes 3 plus 4 root 2. Similarly, so student, by seeing this series we can write it the next two terms, because 3 here is one 3 comma 3 plus root 2, next it is 3 plus 2 root 2, next is 3 plus 3 root 2. So there is a increasing of root 2 by 1 in the fifth term. We are getting the value is 3 plus 4 root 2. So I can directly write a6 is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. Similarly a7 is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, so this is your fifth problem. So any doubts you can directly comments in the message, I will reply. Fourth problem, sixth question. Here the given series is 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.222, 0.222. So here it is a1 first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First we have to calculate common difference. How to calculate common difference? D is equals to a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term. So what is your second term? 0.22 minus 0.2. So this will becomes, see students, so to calculate these things, these type of problems, first you see the after decimal point you have a two numbers here, after decimal point you have a one number. So normally how we will do, that is 0.22 minus 0.2. What is the value you will get? This 2 is same, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0.0. So I can directly write 0.02. Okay, so D is equals to a3 minus a2 What is A3? A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. So now you directly calculate. So here you have a 2 terms, here you have a 3 terms. So that will becomes 002. Okay. Similarly, D is equals to A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4 is 0.2222 minus 0.222 222. So that your value will be, so here you have a 3 terms, here you have 4 terms, so that will becomes 0.0002. So students, the common difference is different because here you have a 0.02, here you have 0.002, here you have a got 0.002. So these values will be different, so that hence the given series does not form an AP. Seventh problem, question number 4, seventh problem. The given series is this one, that is 0, minus 4, 8, minus 2. What is the series? Is A1, A2, A3, A4. By look at the series, you can directly see what is the common difference. 0 minus 4 is minus 4, minus 4 into minus 4 is minus 8, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So that we can directly say that it is an AP. Okay, still I am finding the value, that is common difference. D is A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is minus 4, A1 is minus 0. So this will answer is 4. Similarly, next one, A3 minus A2 is equals to A3 is minus 8, here minus into the bracket minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. D is equals to A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4 is minus 12 minus A3 is minus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is equals to minus 4. So that the common difference is same, hence they form an AP. We have to find A5, A6, A7. Okay. So how to find A5? A5 is nothing but a A4 plus D. What is your A4? A4 is minus 2. What is D? Is minus 4. Your all answer becomes minus 16. Similarly, A5 plus D. What is your A5? A4 is 16 minus 4 is minus 20. Similarly, A6 plus D is equals to 20 minus 4 is 24. This series is given. A1 is 1 by 2, A2 is minus 1 by 2, A3 is minus 1 by 2 and A4 is minus 1. See student, is it AP? So is it AP? What will be the common difference? You observe the series. To get a next value, how much value you have to add for a previous one? Here you have 1 by 2. To get 1 by 2, how much value we have to add? Similarly 1 by 2 to get next value, same 1 by 2, which value you have to add? So just you think over it, just you adding the 0 to the next value, you will get same value. So student, the common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is your A2? A2 is 1 by 2 minus A1 is minus 1 by 2. So this will becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Similarly A3 minus A2. What is your A3? A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus what is your A2? A2 is minus 1 by 2. You will get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Similarly for next is A4 minus A3, you will get the 0 value. So that your common difference is 0. So hence you can say it is an AP. If it is AP, what is the next 3 terms? See student, to find the A5, A6, A7. Okay. So just you say this value also 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, because your common difference is 0, then automatically you will get the value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Ninth problem, the series is given 1, 3, 9, 27. Here the first term is A1, A2, A3, A4. So find the value of common term, common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is 3 minus A1 is 1. This is equals to 2. Similarly, go for next one. A3 minus A2. What is your A3? Is 9. A2 is 3. So what is the value? 6. So A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. Hence the given series is not AP. Okay. Similarly, go for next one, that is 10th problem. The given series A, 2A, 3A, 4A. See students, by seeing the series you can say that it is an AP because A is increasing by 1 in this series, so that we can say it is an AP. So find the common term, that is common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 2A minus A is equals to A. D is equals to A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is 3A minus 2A is equals to A. So similarly we can say this is AP. If it is AP, what will be the next terms? Hence it is AP. Now find the value of A5, A6, A7. By look at the series, we can directly write or directly solve the A5, A6, A7, that is A4 plus D. What is your A4? A4 is 4A, common difference is A, this will becomes 5A. For A6 is 6A, A7 is 7A. So students, in the examinations, to reduce your time, you just go for similarly and similarly, so that it is very useful method to reduce your time in the examinations. The given series is A square, A cube, A4 and so on. So find